this. This is a little vestidito, nomás que like I said, I do have shorts under, but it does say it does have the logo of Savage X Fenty right here, and it is literally so freaking cute. And I don't know, I just kind of feel like it's something you could wear to bed. Like, it's super soft and like warm. Like, I thought it was so cute. Sorry, I do have pasties on, you guys, but I thought it was so warm and cute that I was like, oh my god, queens, like this is so adorable. So they do have the cutest little fits right now. It's not letting me. I know it's not letting me either, which is so weird. Everything looks so pretty. I would legit look like a potato. Stop. I don't want you guys to say stuff like that, because I feel like y'all, okay, like, you're not gonna wear this stuff out. This stuff is strictly for your man, your boo thing, like definitely just for like that one person in your life. So I feel like this is not something you're gonna wear to the streets. This is not something that people are gonna see you in. Like, it's just your man, and at the end of the day, your man loves you the way you are, queen. So it is just super cute and adorable. Feel confident in your guys' lingerie, because I swear that's when I feel like the cutest. Slay queen, you got this. Thank you, Rosita, for the stars. Savage X Fenty is opening a store in Houston, Galleria. No way. Oh my god, that's so awesome. Congratulations to them. But this is honestly so cute and adorable. And another thing that it comes with is these long socks. I kind of want to put them on for you guys to show you like how it looks together. I want Brittany to come see me, but the baby's out there, and then you already know how girls get on here. Like, you're changing in front of your baby, and nobody's out there to take care of him, so Bernie can't catch these sexy videos. Maybe he's like watching me right now. Thank you, Cynthia, for the stars, queen. I love you. You're the best. Wishing you the best today. Thank you, queen. Thank you, Betty, for the stars. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at you guys. Wait, I gotta look at it myself because I feel like it's so cute. And the dress is super like short. But look, it comes with these little calcetincitos, and it's so cute. I think these are so cute. Like I said, just to like sleep in and stuff, and just to like kind of like be cute there with your man. Like, I don't know, like, it's so cute. I'm trying to put this up a little bit, but yeah, it comes like this. I kind of want to take a picture in it tonight because I feel like it is so cute and adorable. Like, just like this, I feel like it'll be so cute. It's my son's birthday on the 29th. I would like to win, Cindy. You can cook in that one. Oh, you can cook for him with this one and be like, hey baby, like, I made you some huevitos con papa and some papas con huevito because that's all I know how to cook. Literally me, you guys. I need to, okay, this year I told myself that I was gonna start cooking a little bit more, because it's not that I don't know how. I always tell you guys that, but it's just that I don't do it, and I feel like I need to do it, queen. Really feeling this one. Yeah, I feel like it's super cute and adorable. So definitely it does have some sexy outfits, and then like I said, you guys can get 50% off anytime you order. It's just so cute. Not anytime you order, but when you become a VIP member. And they do have stuff for literally everyone, you guys. They have sizes from like extra small literally all the way up to like 3X, and like they have bralettes, you know, bras with padding. Like, I'm gonna show you guys everything that they sent me this month. They have it all, queens. Like, it is so cute, and I like it because like there's certain stuff that I get and I'm like, this is not for me, and then I get something and I'm like, oh my god, this is for me, you know. Like, it's just so cute. I did it on the computer, yay. Okay, so thank you, Nicole, for the Cash App, my love.